Yes, guys, good afternoon and hope everyone have a blessed evening or blessed day. Right about now, I about to lay out this little dressing table right here. As you can see, that is what this little dressing table. Gonna have some walnut and painted white. So, gonna do some layout on this plywood right here. So let me let y'all see, guys. It is mark out. So if y'all could see, that's it right there. My layout angle. That's the full corner unit. So now that's it laid out right there. That line in the front, that's the drawer face, and the one behind is the framing. So now I'm gonna lay out the runners for the drawer. guys, and this the edge band. This one come pre-glued, that you could just use a hot iron and yeah, it's like doing some laundry. Iron some clothes. So something to press it on. Should be good. I need to put piece in the middle. Need something with a square edge to cut it, guys, with your scissors. Make sure you have a square end. You also need to create a nice square cut. So you're gonna stick that right in here. Close up now, guys. See? This is it. Draw going right in there. And yes, of course, here will be against the wall. Like here will be against the wall. Over here we'll have some dead space because it's going in the corner of the wall. If you guys remember the drawing, it has a point. Yeah. It's a point right there on the drawing. See? So okay. So that's the side. There. Over there. It's like the drawing. Not much justice. Good morning, everyone. Today we're back on it again. Dressing table, sun, and start to get sprayed. I'll get out the top for the dressing table, which is this piece of walnut plywood on the bench here. So guys, and this is like modern skill saw. Yes guys, first I must say thanks for watching the videos, and please remember to do like, share and subscribe. This is the finished product guys. We didn't bother to show the spraying process or the staining of the top. It was a light stain onto the walnut with low sheen white conversion paint. It was a very nice dressing table. So that is it there guys, fully installed. Very beautiful. So guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully next time we'll be able to show the full process of small project like this. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful dressing table.